So we just picked up a 2008 SS and James is starting to tear it down. We're getting it ready for death race. Yep, so that's it, boys. It's all coming right off. So we're completing the weight reduction here, and we're thinking about doing a little bumper modification here. We're gonna raise the rad, and then we're gonna run a double bumper so that this thing can take a little more hits. And then we're even thinking about possibly running some kind of a skid plate underneath. Oh, we got the rear bumper off now. Things are looking good.
This is how he fixed the rim. Normally you want to use a hammer, but we have an axe, so what we'll use. Move it.
Oops. This is how you make a death race car, folks. Lock it. Cutting off the exhaust now. Then we're driving her to the farm. Got the aftermarket wheels on her. Starting to look like something. Oh, what are we doing here, Kyle?
Just warming up the air compressor so the cylinder can move up and down.
Oh my goodness. So you're using a blowtorch to do that?
Yeah.
Plug her in, Jake. Oh yeah, that'll get her going. All fucking half horse of her. Kyle, my fucking garage door opener's got more horsepower than this cocksucker. Oh yeah. Hey, she was just a little cold, that's all. Just a little cold, boys. So in accordance with Kyle scrapping James's other bumper, we're gonna fucking take the rear bumper off of this one and mount it to the front. So all you gotta do is remove the top bumper, flip it and lower it, and just use 2 bolts instead of 4. That's a good piece of scrap right there, Kyle. That's a good piece of scrap. Don't fucking scrap it on them, buddy. That's it, folks. Double up the bumper. Everything's a little bit more fucking safer now. So we went on a big diesel stealing operation. We ended up getting 110 liters of diesel, boys, and we're burning all of it. Every single fucking last drop. So James is raising the hood latch so that we can raise the rad, and then we'll have a nice bash guard, and then we're gonna have to use self-tappers in the hood. Oh, that's it. Oh, that sounded good, Kyle.
Learn from death racing through the years.
Yep.
This is important.
Yeah, we're all learning. Vent the Freon right into the atmosphere, folks.
That's a baby lion. Pick her up.
There we go.
Just gotta pull that spoiler right off. That was a good piece of scrap right there, folks. Oh, there we go. Yep. Nice little hood pin.
All right, now see what we line up to. 3 drill holes started.
That's it. Look at that. That's how you pin a hood for death race, folks.
Just carry a half-inch wrench with us.
Oh, that bit into something.
Then I'll just carry a half-inch wrench.
That's it.
We're done.
Hood pin. Let's go. Oh, the glory of death race. The glory. Timing change just completely blown out of this thing, but that's okay. We just got to not redline it.
Turn the corner in a race car here. Just gotta get her back to the farm before something bad happens.
No, hope we don't get arrested, boys.
Oh no, phone's ringing. Fuck. We're gonna get 2 phones going at the same time. Here, hold on. Who is it?
I don't know.
James. Hello?
Is there a cop?
Okay, we're all good to go.
All good
okay.
to go.
We're on our way. We'll be right there. Bye. All right, we're giving her. Oh, what a nice day for a drive.
Oh yeah. In a car with no fucking fenders, no bumpers. Oh boys.
Oh, look at all what's construction going on over
You
there.
don't smell too fucking good, I'll tell you that, boys.
No, you can smell all the gas hall birds. Oh, how you doing? It says 6 and going 60.
I don't know, buddy.
We
We're
don't
going
need
80.
speed where we're going.
Fuck it. We don't need speedometers where we're going, buddy.
Well, just give her hell.
Because if we get caught, we're going right to jail.
So Jake, how's it like driving a new car?
Oh, it's fucking, she handles great.
Oh, beautiful.
Jimmy said she fucking pulls to one side, but I don't think so.
No, looks like we're going straight down the road. Oh, how you doing? Don't mind us.
Oh my god, we should signal even though we got no fucking tail lights.
Oh, we're trying to signal
Oh, the
here.
brakes are super soft.
Oh no, look out.
Ooh.
There we go. Just another quarter mile to go.
Drive like a dream. We're going to the farm.
Yeah. almost the speed of sound there.
Oh yeah. Fuck, she drives like a fucking brand new car, man.
Yeah.
Brakes are a little fucking soft, but
All right, we made her to the farm.
that's fucking to the floor.
Oh no. Here we go. Careful, these little one-lane roads here are pretty close to the poles.
I know. Oh, the brakes are no good on this thing.
Oh, we made her.
Yeah, we did, buddy. We got about 45 liters of fucking stolen diesel in the back of this cocksucker. Stuck already! Stuck already! Oh yeah, go, go, go! Oh, what a fucking nightmare, boys. Jesus. Kyle skating with fucking 45 liters of stolen diesel in the rear of her. Oh, we're just down here at the skating rink. Holy fuck. Fuck yeah. Oh, fuck's sakes. Woo! Till she's fucking gone, boys! Yeah, it's only fucking slightly smoky out here, folks. Oh my fuck. Oh, folks, we got 4 running, driving, fully operational death race vehicles. He's stuck, but fuck him, we'll figure that out. Oh, that don't sound too good. James, do something fucking belligerent, bud. James is gonna send it over here and he's gonna come back and do like a fucking 540. Hopefully we're not gonna put her into that tree. All right, here he comes. Cobalt's on ice, folks. Woo! Yep. Oh, the fucking blue Civic with a flat tire. Get a run at it! Get a fucking run at it! Get a fucking run at it! Woo! Testing out that front fucking bash guard that we built. Oh yeah, perfect. Look at that. They gotta go to the shed, fill up the tires. Then we're death racing.
That sound, we don't worry about that sound. Alright, Jake's gonna go save the day. We need booster stable. Just push Kyle out of your way. Alright, you'll be able to get around her now, buddy. Oh, fuck. Oh. Just hit him, bud.
Hang on, hang on!
Go forwards really fast and then lock up the brakes. truck even started? Guys, Aaron's truck's not even started yet. Yeah, keep trying.
So we tried to jump start Aaron's Ranger. She didn't work out too good. Oh, the poor Ranger boys. Just nothing left of her. Oh, it's amazing. All the cars out at once. Glorious. Good to see Kyle having some fun with his instead of saying it's overheating all the time. Here comes James doing something belligerent. Oh, it's super sketchy with the ice. Oh, just bogging it right out. Look at Kyle. Kyle only has one snow tire on there. Oh! Oh, fuck yeah. Oh! I hit Jake with this thing and just blew both fucking tires right open. Oh my goodness. Oh, when they hit Jake, it just sliced the whole tire right open and it went all the way down the side because all the sharp metal just hanging off of the Blue Devil. Just look at the devastation to the tire, boys. I could blow at any minute. Go, go. Let me just stand here and make it look like I'm pushing. Turn to the right. Oh, look.
It looks funny with the little tires. To the barn!
Oh, boys, we're getting ready for the big diff well to 2019.